Welcome to Cooking Space, a place where mindfulness and being present meets food and music. A place to chill out, relax, enjoy, get connected, and make something delicious. Today we're doing a riff on one of my favorite sandwiches, which is chicken parm. Lately I've been into plant-based cooking and exploring how to keep my calories down while having something really delicious and healthy. So we're gonna make cauliflower parmesan. I've got beautiful cauliflower right here. I'm gonna cut it right down the center to create this steak. And then we do a standard breading procedure of flour, eggs, and seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm gonna shallow fry that cauliflower, and then I'll put it in a pan with a little bit of our Rao's homemade tomato sauce, buffalo mozzarella, stick it in the oven, let it kind of all bake together, and then we'll build a nice sandwich with some ciabatta that I'll griddle with a little bit of butter. I have a little bit of basil aioli, some arugula, a little bit of chili flake. It will be delicious, guys. Let's get into it. Take that off. I'm gonna cut kind of a nice steak. Right down the middle. So you end up with a nice big chunk. And then, so the rest of these pieces I'm gonna use to make pickled cauliflower, which that sub recipe will be in the link. I'll grab my flour, my egg, and my breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna add a little salt to this flour, a little bit of black pepper, and I'm just gonna mix this up. And we'll take flour, egg, and breadcrumb. Boom. Just gonna get it nice and coated. My cauliflower is nice and breaded. I'm gonna remove some of that excess. And we'll just let these get golden brown on each side. While that's frying, I'm gonna cut my buffalo mozzarella. All right, guys, so these are nice and golden brown. I'm gonna pull them onto my drain rack just to get any excess oil. You know, for this recipe, for a quick step, I really love Rao's homemade pasta sauces. I'm using their marinara sauce. Perfect for this kind of quick application, lunch. They use all organic ingredients. It's delicious. So now we're gonna start building our cauliflower parm. I'm gonna start with a little bit of tomato sauce, kind of right on the bottom. And I just lined a sheet tray with a little bit of foil. Easy cleanup, and it'll just give me enough of a surface to plate my cauliflower parm. Now, I'm gonna take these, one there, put one there, and one over here. Add a little more sauce. A little more sauce on here. All right. And we're gonna top it with some cheese. Get our buffalo mozzarella on there. Oh, that's gonna be pretty good. A little cheese right on top. That looks awesome. Our cauliflower parm came out of the oven. It's nice and hot. The buffalo mozzarella is kind of melted all over one piece. I have my griddled bread right here. So I'm gonna start building up. I have a little bit of basil aioli right here that I'm gonna put right on the top. Perfect. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic. Ooh. And I'm gonna just add a little, just some fresh arugula leaves. A few of these guys right on top. A little bit of olive oil. All right, so I'm just gonna cut it right down the center. Beautiful, look at that. We've got our tomato sauce, our cauliflower steak, our buffalo mozzarella, arugula, the basil aioli, delicious. I am so excited to try this. It looks absolutely fantastic. Let's get right into it here. Ooh. You don't need any chicken, guys. This is delicious. The cauliflower really soaked in all of the flavor from the breadcrumbs, from the olive oil. The tomato sauce really gives a nice acidity. It's got great flavor. The buffalo mozzarella and the basil aioli, perfect. Can't wait for you guys to try this. Cook this at home. It's gonna be delicious. I had an absolute blast cooking for you today. We want to thank all of our sponsors, especially Sub-Zero Wolf & Co. for allowing us to use their cooking space. And I also want to thank Rayo's homemade sauces and pastas for their delicious ingredients today. We want to thank all of our media sponsors. We want to remind everybody that a portion of the sponsorship dollars go to the Garces Foundation, a philanthropic organization located right here in Philadelphia. And for all the ingredients, the method, the techniques, the full recipe, click on the description below. And I hope you enjoy your cooking space as much as I enjoy mine. See you guys soon. Mi casa, su casa, buen provecho. Bye now.